twist. I don't think they're ready for this shit.
Leave it, stop, format it, touch it, bring it, pay it.
Hey, yo, let me take their ass back to the club real quick.
Touch it, bring it, pay it. Watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it. Watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it.
Sexiness, I need some of mine. Come kick it with me, shawty. Give me that pussy in the drawers and let me work it hard.
Get low, bus. Who be the king of the sound? Bust a bus back, they just put a lock on the town. Now that my bitches be coming from miles around. See, they be coming, cause they know how to gouge. Turn it up, now you know who holding the throne, so give me the crown. Niggas saluting and trying to give me a pound. I don't really fuck with you niggas is clowns. Making the bitches strip and throw this shit on the ground. Get low, bus. Now that's the way that it goes. When we up in the spot, the shit be flooded with holes. Come on, see, when you make it hot, the chicks that come out they clothes. That's when they get it. Mommy, you already know I suppose. Turn it up, shorty wildin' and shorty open, she beastin' it out. For the record, just a second, I'm freaking it out. Come on, while she trying to touch it, I was peeping it out. She turned around and was trying to put my dick in the mouth. I let her.
That's fine with me. Come fuck with me, girl. Why not, my dick? I'm here to rock your world. That's fine with me. I'm here to fuck you, girl. Why not, my dick? I'm here to
Get low, Russ. And as you started to be ringing the bell, when I come, I be doing it, you doing it well. Then I beat up the coochie and be making it swell, trying to have the smell of the sack being on the Chanel. Turn it up, then they try to walk with the struts, don't know what to tell. Come on, how a nigga got in their butt, made everything tell. Come on, now they take a while like a nut, she blowing myself. Come on, can't get enough of the kid, I put her under my spell. Get low, bud. Now that mommy move it along. If you know you bout it, then get it, removing your thong. To the whip and back of the truck is where you belong. After the yak, to be the type of raunchy shit that be on. Turn it up, street niggas respect it because my movement is strong. Come on.